We are going to install Aokp uh, ROM on my OnePlus 5. So this is the ROM, Aokp Team King Android OpenShift CAN project. So as you can see, there are few bugs. So I'll link the description. I'll link the uh, thread in the description so you can see. So I have downloaded and now moving my ROM to my device. So I'm going to show you how to install this and what are the things that are working and what are the things that are not working. So you'll get a equalizer, it's an Android 8.1 version, so all those things. So first we are going to wipe the old ROM. So select everything, swipe to wipe, go back, install, select the ROM. So I'm going to install the Aokp ROM. For this you should have a TWRP or any custom recovery installed. I'll link the video to install a TWRP recovery that I have made few days ago. So it is done. Swipe to wipe and reboot. So this is the boot animation for the ROM. It will take some time as it's the first boot. So I'm pausing the video until it boots up. So we are directly greeted with the screen. So I have a password set up. So I have to put my password, allow debugging, and no setup. I don't have to do anything. So most of the things are working. Only camera video recording and Volte are not working. So camera is working fine. So it's the Android 8.1 ROM, official Oreo with the octopus. So thank you guys for watching. As it's the alpha build, so most of the apps are not present.